Ubuntu remains one of the most widely used and influential Linux distributions in 2025. Developed by Canonical, it is built on Debian but focuses on providing a polished, beginner-friendly experience with strong long-term support. Ubuntu comes with a GNOME desktop environment by default, delivering a clean and modern look, though it may feel heavier on older hardware. It has vast software repositories, excellent community support, and strong compatibility with third-party applications. Ubuntu also offers different editions such as LTS releases for stability and interim releases for newer features, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals. Its Snap package system allows for easy software installation, though not everyone prefers it. Overall, Ubuntu is a great all-purpose operating system with a strong ecosystem, making it a top choice for newcomers to Linux as well as those seeking reliability. Pop! OS, on the other hand, is developed by System 76 and has quickly grown into one of the most innovative Linux distros. Based on Ubuntu, it is fine-tuned for performance, productivity, and modern hardware. Its cosmic desktop environment enhances GNOME with features like automatic tiling, advanced workspace management, and extensive keyboard shortcuts, making it a favorite among developers, gamers, and power users. Pop! OS also shines with excellent GPU support, offering seamless AMD and NVIDIA driver integration as well as hybrid graphics switching for laptops. Security and reliability are built in with features like full disk encryption and a dedicated recovery partition. Unlike Ubuntu's Snap focus, Pop! OS relies on apt and Flatpak, providing more flexibility in software management. It is especially appealing for users who want a sleek, productivity-oriented workflow without additional setup. In summary, Ubuntu is the safer and more traditional choice, ideal for newcomers, professionals, and anyone who values stability, community support, and long-term updates. Pop! OS, meanwhile, is a more modern and productivity-focused distro, best for developers, gamers, and power users who want advanced desktop features, great hardware support, and a refined user experience.